Hi, everyone, and welcome to our final presentation as part of the PowerStore webinar series. This week, Pratibha will be going over PowerStore ease of use and serviceability. Pratibha, take it away.
All right, thank you, Marco, for the introduction. Hello, everybody. This is Pratibha, who is one of the product managers for PowerStore, and I'll be presenting the PowerStore ease of use and serviceability today. So PowerStore, as you all know, we released in May, and PowerStore provides our customers with a data-centric, intelligent, and adaptable infrastructure that supports both traditional and modern workloads. We accomplish these three by data-centric, intelligent, and adaptable. By data-centric, we design that optimizes for system performance, scalability, and storage efficiency to support any workload without any compromises. PowerStore is intelligent via automation through programmable infrastructure that simplifies management and optimizes for system resources, while enabling proactive health analytics to easily monitor, analyze, and troubleshoot the environment. PowerStore has an adaptable architecture that enables speed and application mobility, offers flexible deployments, and provides choice, predictability, and investment protection through flexible payment solutions and data entry settlements. Over the course of the presentation, we will explore these in the PowerStore. PowerStore licensing. PowerStore licensing provides a seamless experience to the administrator. Licensing is automatic and electronic. PowerStore cluster will install the license without any administrator actions. The license fee is all-inclusive with enterprise features of the product. There is no separate licensing. All features are included. In a multi-appliance cluster, the primary appliance will manage the licensing, and appliance gets the license file via the HTTPS protocols. The user just needs to make sure that the port 433 is open in order to fetch the license file from Dell EMC. We continue to also offer manual licensing for dark sites, for example, federal customers and financial institutions. PowerStore is intelligent with self-awareness capabilities. Right from the automation and intelligently placing the volumes, you can see here in the slide that the PowerStore detected the volume needs to be placed in appliance 1. And the resource balancer kicks in whenever the system detects optimizations that can happen for better usage of system resources. Most important objects can be flagged to the object watch list for focused monitoring. PowerStore automatically recommends for next configuration settings that the user can perform. PowerStore's systems are built on the design principles of self-healing and resiliency, ensuring system stability, overall health, and prevent DUDL. It also adheres to the 6 nines availability with automatic drive sparing and built-in native fault tolerance. Rich metrics and advanced analytics. PowerStore provides an end-to-end metrics reporting for our end users. The product continues to enhance and provides richer metrics with built-in analytical engine, which consumes these metrics and provide an intelligent behavior in terms of trend analysis, displays relevant statistics at the right time. Intelligent behavior and trend analysis displays are provided in the PowerStore Manager. Deep integration with the associated objects and space savings supports greater insights to the user. Granularity in performance and capacity metrics helps achieve visibility to the system resources at every object level. Historical usage and forecasting trends can be used for better resource planning and future investments. Monitoring in PowerStore consists of 3 main capabilities: events, alerts, and jobs. Events provides historical information about the changes that happened into the cluster. Every action that the user made is an event. An alert is a sequence of events that requires attention from the end user and comes in 4 severity levels. And this is the definition of the alert. It has the appliance name where the alert was generated. The system can provide information and details on the description as well as the error code. The end user can either acknowledge by responding to the event by taking necessary steps that is called out in the repair flow. It also gives information on the system impact, and if configured via SMTP, the user can also get an email depending on the level of severity they set in. There are also built-in automatic health checks and ongoing network validation that will continue to alert the system. This enhanced capability is provided in the associated events, which we call as event correlation. Access to the support materials for further troubleshooting is also part of the alert's details. Support Assist offers the innovative Connect Home solution, which is truly one click. This new offering is different from what we used to provide in our previous generation products. And there is no need to create any new support accounts. Support Assist will send home alerts, basic telemetry, and offers a secure remote access for proactive support. Support Assist is simple and can be connected via 2 types. One is Gateway Connect. In this method, PowerStore is connected to the external gateway server, which then connects to Dell EMC. In the second method, Integrated Connectivity, PowerStore system directly contacts Dell EMC. All these happens through a secure channel, and the data in flight is encrypted, and it is decrypted at the Dell EMC site, and proactive support engineers can get this information and proactively assist our customers. What Support Assist enables us is to connect to Cloud IQ. Cloud IQ is a no-cost cloud-native application that proactively monitors the health of the storage system through intelligent, comprehensive, and predictive analytics. Cloud IQ provides monitoring for all the Dell EMC storage systems within your data center. Cloud IQ delivers monitoring anytime and anywhere. There is a mobile version of Cloud IQ app that can be installed through your mobile devices. Cloud IQ offers Health Score, which is unique and intelligently provides recommendation to increase the overall health of the system. In the next slide, we will see a demo of Cloud IQ. For a moment, I'm going to go away from presentation mode. This is the PowerStore GUI. From here, you can see you can launch Cloud IQ. And in Cloud IQ, this is the overall page that shows all the systems that are connected. You can see the health score associated with the systems that are connected home. There is a good view on the capacity as well as performance. To get further insights, you can filter across PowerStore and see the information on each of the system's health and the health score associated with it. And if you want to go further, investigate the inventory, you can select again PowerStore and see further details on the versioning and the site at which the PowerStore is located. There is system capacity information as well, where the customer can get insights on used, free, provisioned, as well as overall savings that is being gained from that PowerStore. And to get further insights on the performance of the system, you can see the IOPS, bandwidth, and system latency for the given PowerStore system. Next is one-click update. PowerStore provides one-click as well as a non-disruptive update experience to their end users. PowerStore intelligently notifies when there is a new code availability, and the customers can get the new code and try to upgrade to the newest version. It is advised for customers to get to the newest code as early as possible because there are a good number of bug fixes as well as new features that get rolled out every version of the PowerStore. The customer also can choose to run a pre-upgrade health check, also referred to as PUC, that can it can be run ahead of time to ensure that the system is healthy for the upgrade process. This ensures the overall success of the upgrade procedure itself. The upgrade package is a bundled software. It is a single package and has PowerStore OS and the required hardware, firmware associated with that. The upgrade process has a guided workflow, and the UI provides insights in terms of the progress that the upgrade process is kicked in. It is completely non-destructive to the user. The I/O as well as data services are not impacted during the upgrade process. PowerStore is built-in self-service capabilities. In case of any issue within the system, the user can look up online help for immediate know-how. There are checkout videos, support forums to get any resolution. Furthermore, details can be looked up in the knowledge base articles, as well as the release notes that is rolled out every version of the PowerStore system. PowerStore supports shutdown, reboot, and plenty of service tools with REST as well as CLI access. PowerStore can provide a way to order parts and crews for the components that is part of the PowerStore system. When there is need of a service engagement, in order to further resolve the issue, there is already a built-in service account for a service user. The customer can choose to enable SSH for further resolution, and they can always go ahead and disable it. This is not enabled by default. PowerStore, in case of failure, enters a mode called as service mode or safe mode for a service personnel in order to come and revive the system. During this safe mode, the PowerStore Manager GUI is in read-only, and there will be continued access to I/O. However, new writes as well as new data services that cannot be revoked at this point because the PowerStore system is in the safe mode. This ensures that there is no DU as well as DL with the existing information that is part of the PowerStore system. With that, I'll conclude today's presentation.
Thank you, Pratibha. So if there are any questions, you can place them in the chat. We haven't received any questions so far. If no questions, then again, I want to thank everyone for joining us throughout this PowerStore webinar series. I know many of you attended from the beginning and are repeat viewers. So again, I want to take a moment to thank all of you and remind you that all information on PowerStore can be found on www.delltechnologies.com/PowerStore. Looks like there's no questions, Pratibha. So that's it. That concludes the PowerStore webinar series. Thanks, everyone, and thank you, Pratibha.
Thank you so much.